happened was I was at a party with my friends and a fight started, and this guy tried punching the guy next to me, and he missed and hit me in the face. And I was super out of it after it happened. Like, I almost fainted, but I was still standing. And we left the party. I pretty much just went home, like, put ice on my head for the rest of the night. Didn't go to a doctor or anything. Stayed up for like multiple hours though, just to like make sure I was okay for the meantime. And then we went to the doctor the next day, and they told me I didn't have a concussion, which was odd. And then I had symptoms like with headaches, super dizzy. I really couldn't focus on things for like the next couple days. So I went to the doctor again, and then they told me that I did have a concussion. So it was a long road to get there.